Growing your own food is a rewarding experience, offering a sense of accomplishment and a deeper connection to the food you eat. And what better way to start your gardening journey than with potatoes? These versatile tubers are not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to grow. Potatoes are a staple food for many cultures around the world, and they're surprisingly easy to grow, even if you don't have a lot of space. Whether you live in a rural area or an urban setting, you can cultivate your own potato crop. That's where cardboard boxes come in handy. These everyday items can be transformed into perfect potato planters. They provide a contained environment for your potatoes to flourish, and they're readily available and inexpensive. Plus, using cardboard boxes is an eco-friendly option that repurposes materials you might already have at home. Cardboard boxes offer an excellent alternative to traditional gardening methods. They are lightweight, easy to move, and can be placed in various locations, making them ideal for small spaces. They are convenient, readily available, and provide a suitable environment for growing potatoes. You can even stack them to save space and increase your yield. Whether you have a small backyard, a balcony, or even just a sunny spot in your home, cardboard boxes allow you to enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh produce. Starting your potato growing journey in cardboard boxes is a fun and fulfilling endeavor. It's a great project for families, as kids can get involved and learn about where their food comes from. So why not give it a try? With just a few simple steps, you can set up your own potato garden and start enjoying the fruits of your labor. It's a great way to connect with nature, enjoy fresh produce, and learn valuable gardening skills. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown potatoes. Let's explore how to create the perfect home for your potato plants using simple cardboard boxes. With a bit of creativity and effort, you'll be on your way to a bountiful potato harvest. Before you introduce your potato plants to their new abode, it's essential to create a welcoming environment. Choose a sturdy cardboard box that's at least 12 inches deep and wide. This will provide ample space for your potatoes to grow and develop a healthy root system. Begin by removing any plastic tape or staples from the box, ensuring it's safe for your plants. Next, create drainage holes at the bottom of the box. These holes will prevent waterlogging, which can harm your potato plants. Now it's time to add the growing medium. A mixture of garden soil and compost works best. Fill the box with about 6 inches of this mixture, ensuring it's loose and well draining. With the box prepared, you're ready to move on to the exciting part, planting your potatoes. Now that your cardboard box is ready, it's time to introduce the stars of the show, the potatoes. These humble tubers are about to embark on a journey that will transform them into delicious, homegrown produce. Choose seed potatoes from a reputable source, ensuring they're healthy and free from any diseases. This is crucial because starting with healthy seed potatoes sets the foundation for a successful harvest. Before planting, it's a good idea to chit your seed potatoes. Chitting is a simple process that can significantly boost your yield. Chitting involves encouraging the potatoes to sprout before planting. This gives them a head start and helps them grow more vigorously once they're in the soil. Place them in a bright, cool location for a few weeks. A windowsill that gets plenty of light but stays relatively cool is ideal. Once the sprouts are about an inch long, your potatoes are ready for planting. These sprouts will help the potatoes establish themselves quickly in their new environment. Dig small holes in the soil, about 4 inches deep and 12 inches apart. This spacing ensures that each potato has enough room to grow and access nutrients. Gently place one seed potato in each hole with the sprouts facing upwards. This orientation is important for the sprouts to grow towards the surface. Cover the potatoes with soil, leaving the top few inches of the box empty. This allows for additional soil to be added later as the plants grow. This space will be used for hilling later on. Hilling helps support the plants and encourages the growth of more tubers. With your potatoes comfortably nestled in their new home, it's time to provide them with the essentials for growth: water and nutrients. Regular watering and occasional feeding with compost or fertilizer will ensure your potatoes thrive. Water is crucial for the growth of your potato plants. After planting, water the soil thoroughly, ensuring it's moist but not waterlogged. As your plants grow, they'll need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger about an inch deep into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water your plants. Be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. In addition to water, your potato plants will benefit from a steady supply of nutrients. You can use a balanced organic fertilizer or compost tea to provide them with the necessary nourishment. Feed your plants every 2 weeks, starting when they're about 6 inches tall. With consistent watering and feeding, your potato plants will grow strong and healthy, rewarding you with a bountiful harvest. Hilling, giving your potatoes room to grow. As your potato plants grow taller, you'll notice them producing more stems and leaves. This is a good sign that your potatoes are developing underground. To encourage more potato production, it's essential to hill them. Hilling involves mounding soil around the base of the potato plants. As the stems grow taller, add more soil around them, creating a small hill. This process prevents the potatoes from being exposed to sunlight, which can turn them green and bitter. Hilling also helps to improve drainage and provides the developing potatoes with more room to grow. Repeat the hilling process every couple of weeks until the soil reaches the top of the cardboard box. With proper hilling, your potato plants will have the ideal environment to produce a bountiful harvest. Recognizing the harvest time. When to unearth your treasure. After weeks of patiently tending to your potato plants, the moment of truth arrives, harvest time. Knowing when to harvest your potatoes is crucial for ensuring optimal flavor and texture. Typically, potatoes are ready to harvest about 10 to 12 weeks after planting. You'll notice the foliage of the plant starting to yellow and die back. This is a sign that the potatoes have reached maturity and are ready to be unearthed. Before harvesting the entire plant, you can gently dig around the edges of the box to check the size of the potatoes. If they're small, you can wait a bit longer for them to grow larger. Once you're ready to harvest, carefully tip the box on its side and gently pull the plants out of the soil. Pests and diseases. Protecting your potato bounty. Like any plant, potatoes can be susceptible to pests and diseases. These threats can significantly impact the health and yield of your crop if not managed properly. However, with proper care and vigilance, you can protect your potato bounty from these threats. Regular monitoring and timely intervention are key to maintaining a healthy garden. One common pest that may attack your potato plants is the potato beetle. These beetles are notorious for their ability to quickly defoliate plants. These insects feed on the leaves of the plant, which can hinder their growth. Severe infestations can lead to reduced photosynthesis and stunted growth. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of infestation. Early detection can make a significant difference in managing pest populations. If you notice potato beetles, you can hand-pick them off the plants and drop them into a bucket of soapy water. This method is effective and environmentally friendly. Another option is to use a natural insecticide such as neem oil to deter these pests. Neem oil works by disrupting the life cycle of the insects, preventing them from feeding and reproducing. In addition to pests, potatoes can also be affected by diseases such as blight. Blight can spread rapidly, especially in wet and humid conditions. Blight is a fungal disease that can cause dark spots on the leaves and tubers of the plant. If left unchecked, it can devastate your entire crop. To prevent blight, ensure your plants have good air circulation and avoid overhead watering. Watering at the soil level helps keep the foliage dry, reducing the risk of fungal infections. By being proactive and addressing any pest or disease issues promptly, you can ensure a healthy and bountiful potato harvest. A little effort in prevention and care goes a long way in protecting your potato bounty. The joys of cardboard gardening, reaping the rewards. Growing potatoes in cardboard boxes offers a multitude of benefits, making it a rewarding and enjoyable gardening experience. Firstly, cardboard boxes are readily available and inexpensive, often found for free. They provide a convenient and portable gardening solution, ideal for small spaces or those without a traditional garden. Secondly, cardboard boxes decompose naturally, adding beneficial organic matter to the soil. This eliminates the need for disposal and contributes to a sustainable gardening practice. Moreover, cardboard boxes help to suppress weeds, reducing the need for weeding and making maintenance easier. The contained environment of the box also helps to retain moisture, minimizing water usage. An invitation to grow. Embracing the simplicity of cardboard gardening. Growing potatoes in cardboard boxes is a testament to the fact that you don't need a vast expanse of land or years of gardening experience to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. This simple yet effective method allows anyone to connect with nature, nurture life, and savor the fruits of their labor. The process is straightforward, requiring minimal materials and effort. From preparing the cardboard box to planting, watering, and eventually harvesting your potatoes, each step is an opportunity to learn and appreciate the wonders of nature. So, why not embark on this rewarding journey? Gather your materials, choose your favorite potato variety, and experience the joy of growing your own food in the comfort of your own backyard, balcony, or patio. You'll be amazed by the abundance and flavor that emerge from these humble cardboard boxes.